For the larges, we have the bright red, the dark pink, the new kind of a medium pink, which is nice, and the salmon, which is kind of a warm pinky orange, the light, well, kind of a bright green, I guess, a light green, dark Kelly green, and turquoise or aqua. And then over here we've got the heathered medium blue, the very light blue. Let's see, that's the Carolina blue, and the dark blue, only one periwinkle in size large, several of the dark purple, which is the most requested color. So these again are the larges, a white, dark gray, and black. So that's the larges. I'll pan out so you can see again. So that's red, pink, orangey, greens, turquoisey, blues, periwinkle, dark purple, white, gray, and black.